juice is acquired for today.
Juice.
So today is day 2 of the car show prep. Got a few more little interior bits to put into the car. Just went out, got some juice. Gotta have a little bit of juice just to start the day. So far the car is running great. Just a few last little things to prep for the car show, and let's do it. So first off, on the plan for today, is we have a few interior items that need to be addressed. The shifting area, the radio area, and definitely the steering wheel. Right now this air-fuel ratio cannot fit in here properly because it hits the steering wheel. We have a solution for that. Would you like to walk us through what today's plans are?
Sure. Where do you want me to start? Just from the first?
I guess. You've just recently got the vehicle registered, right?
Pay taxes on it and everything.
Well, show us that new tag.
Well, all the other cars have custom tags, so surprise!
Love it. It'll work perfect.
It will. I'm excited.
So, as you can see, the interior needs a lot of love. It's pretty dated, it's pretty old, pretty basic. It's not very basic of a car, so what do we have to fix that issue?
We have things to unbasic it.
All right, show me starts.
Well, I love glitter and sparkles and black. So, with Lucas's advice, I got a weighted shift knob.
Was about a pound and a quarter?
A little over a pound. I don't remember the exact, but it's pretty heavy. And this is going to replace the old, very worn out shifter in there, which is in desperate need of replacing, I would say. So,
ooh, look how pretty it is.
Yeah.
All right, so we covered license plate, shift knob. So add on, we have an NRG short hub. When you start stacking up hubs and quick releases, it gets very long. So we did get an NRG short hub with the spline that will match that car. To go with the NRG short hub, we got stickers. Everybody loves stickers.
Oh yeah.
We have a Neochrome NRG V2, or version 2, quick release. And no ding. We'll make sure it dings. But the ultimate question is, what attaches to that short hub and quick release? We have this box.
I'm so excited.
Oh, wind's picking up. All right. Are you ready for it?
I think so. Maybe. Might be too much.
A Vertex black on pink. I believe it's a 1996 edition.
Which is
fire.
So that
330 millimeter wheel. Slight bit of the GT dish.
And it's pretty.
And it's pretty. It'll definitely match Megan's car. I think the thing will look fire.
Oh, that'll look
Sitting
so
right
much better.
there.
Let's put it in.
So, Megan has never installed a steering wheel, messed with the shifter or anything else, so this should be a fun adventure because I'm thinking about making her do this work. All right.
Yeah.
First thing to do is the easy one. Let's swap out this old jankety crusty ass shift knob.
Righty loosey, lefty tighty, right?
Sure, that works. Just yank it really hard.
Yeah, I think I gotta turn it.
You ain't letting this thing whoop your ass already.
It's a lot of work. There it goes. Look at that.
Here's your boot.
All right, boot.
That struggle face.
Oh, I hope that's right. Should be. That's all she got. That was much better.
Yeah. All right. Easy one down. Let's move on to more complex and harder things to do.
Harder things.
Like that.
That was hard.
Let's take that steering wheel off.
This, all right.
What's that face for?
I'm scared.
All right. First, you need this. And you need this.
Okay.
There's a torque screw. I don't know, probably a T25 maybe? T20?
Hold on, I forgot how to read.
Should be like
25. And that's it.
No.
No?
Torques. Torques. Try that.
Alright, where am I going?
Little hole.
That one?
Nope. Right
That
there.
one? That one?
Right there.
This one.
That one.
Alright. What if I drop it?
Don't drop it.
Alright.
There's only one in existence.
That's very stressful to think about.
Hard turn. Come on. Hard turn. Nope, not horn. Nope, not horn. Hard turn.
I can't get it.
Hard turn. There you go.
Oh my god.
Was that a headbutt to sunglass?
Yeah.
That's a hell of a flex.
Alright.
All right. Think it's out? All right.
So.
If it's out, grab the airbag. Pull back.
Just this?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Terrifying. Ah!
There you go.
Airbag.
Airbag.
Alright. Oh! That is gross.
All right. Here's your next objective. That. This
Thank you.
mixed with this
Alright.
attached to this, and I will go ahead and put it on the right setting for you. There you go. Attach it all together.
Alright.
You strong enough to hold that thing?
No.
It's pretty heavy.
No. Oh gosh. How can I even...
Push it. Push it.
Oh my gosh. Struggle.
The struggle is real.
Oh, I don't have a chest.
Come on now.
Seriously. Oh, there we go.
There you
Okay.
go. All right.
That was just luck.
Hammer away.
Hammer?
Hammer away. Hard. There you go. All right.
Did it.
All right. You can hand me that. Whoop. We still need that.
Still need that. Okay.
Okay. All right. That locking nut is partially on. Go ahead and get a nice hard tug. There you go. That was easy enough.
Yep.
As you can tell, this wheel has been off before. All right. There you go. Slide it out. Old clock spring is out.
Old wheel. Out.
All right. So next on the list, short hub. So originally I threw this sort of away, but then I realized I should be able to modify it fairly easily to be able to work as my active clock spring. So I'm just doing a quick D-pin.
The tape.
step up from duct tape. All right, now that the short hub is installed, the horn works, I'm gonna hand it back off to Megan and make her do all the hard work. Zoom. Okay, so quick release is next. You're gonna need the quick release.
Got it.
You're gonna need this little hardware. They're so lightweight. It's aluminum. Okay. Produce some wind noise. Okay, so on the back of here, you're going to plug the horn wires into the short hub's horn wires.
All right.
And they are male and female pins, so you can't mess them up.
You say that now. All right, that one's in. And
kind of tuck them up nice and neat in there. And you can kind of tuck them around this here bolt.
all right, so that side up. So tuck that one there. Tuck that one up there. That looks pretty good.
And then we shall with a quick release in, there is so much room for activity. So the other half and a Vertex wheel.
A couple of the nice titanium burnt screws. So we're gonna put that one right there.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Ooh, spicy. So, next hard decision, which button? We have the classic Vertex button,
That came with the wheel.
and then we have this extra button. So, that one, or that one.
I'm gonna go with this one. For now.
For now?
I can
Okay.
change them out, right?
Yep.
The maiden test. So I gotta turn it right or left.
Just put it on and
I love it.
all right, back from a quick lunch break. Let's continue. All right, as you can see, there is a giant hole. This piece of crap, it sucks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I know I just installed this radio into the base 3000 GT, but it is time to transplant. I'm sorry. You're going over there. We'll get you a new radio. The final touch. Oh yeah. Goodbye. Other than a few minor little things, I think we're pretty well set. So let's show what the interior looks like. Before, after. All in all, I think today was a huge success. We were able to get the Vertex wheel on, the new shift knob, the stereo in place, get the Apexi tuner seated. Still gotta put on the little panel for the speaker. Air fuel ratio has been reset. Didn't show it in the video, but that plastic piece right there for the column was garbage. Got that replaced.
The mirror we swapped out too.
Oh yeah, we stole the mirror out of the base because this one is super clean. Oh, and yeah, can't forget, fog lights and the fins are in.
Really completes the look. I absolutely love it now.
All we need now, give it a good clean, detail it up a little bit, give it a nice wax. I think we're ready to take it to the show. You ready?
Saturday.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully people enjoy it.
It'll be my first one, so I'm excited.
The first car show.
Well, and with that, I think we're gonna call it a day. The sun's setting, so if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more 3000 content, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. We enjoy reading them, and as always, stay safe and have fun.
I'm out in the colors.